it's Chris here from Inviting Thoughts, and I've got my first Jackson's art order. So this is an art haul, and I think I'm going to like what's in here. I can't believe how fast this was. I'm in Australia, and I ordered on the 27th of May, and it arrived on... Oh, it arrived today. I was at work. I was so happy. So happy to find out that this had arrived today. So that was super fast because today is the 3rd of June. So that's pretty damn good. I'm impressed. Lately, if you order anything from the US, you can expect it to take, oh geez, 3 to 8 weeks, even if it's FedEx. And this was FedEx, but it was done for FedEx UK through international, but from the UK. So most of the stuff I'm ordering, if I order from the US, is been sitting in the US, not actually being moved in different areas. So I know they have some issues over there at the moment, but that's, yeah. Whereas the UK, wow, must admit, very impressed. I think I will be shopping at Jackson's again. It's extremely fast service. Okay. So something that's really hard to get over here is black watercolour paper. So I've got this Stonehenge. This is the 7x7 inch. Okay, black watercolour paper. That's the same one. This one is, I think it's watercolour paper. Silver watercolours, aquarelle. I don't know what it's made of. It doesn't really say. It's cold press. This one. This is oh, so that's right. They're different weights too. This is 300 GSM. There's yellow or greeny colour, lime green or yellowy colour is 300 GSM. The blue is 600 GSM, and this is cold press. That's cold press. Oops. This one is 300 GSM and it's hot press. And I also got the Vengo watercolour paper, and that is 360 GSM. Okay, so I'm definitely trying those out. And the reason I needed the black watercolour paper was because of these. I love the way they use recycling for their packaging. It's really lovely. So this is the first one, the Schminke Pearl Metallics and Gold pack. This is a limited edition one. Where did I put this? Let's see if I can... Do you want to... Let's get the little thumb ring on the bottom. It's got your normal palette card. Palette card there, and it's got the colours. Now I've got the colours are yellow light pearl, yellow pearl, red pearl, magenta pearl, violet pearl, cyan blue pearl, green pearl bluish, ochre pearl, brown pearl reddish, black pearl, rose gold, and light gold. So there's 2 golds and the rest are pearls. that's that one. I forgot about that too. I'll come back to that in a minute. So that's that one. And this one. It's also a Schminke watercolour palette. This is also another limited edition one. And this is a lovely palette, this one. I love this shape. It's got a sheet there. Okay, so you've got mixing areas here and here, whereas this other palette, you've got mixing areas here and here. Now this is a combination of 9 standard colours and 9 pearl colours. Okay, so the standard colours are titanium opaque white, cadmium yellow light, geranium red, magenta, French ultramarine, helio, what's that? I can't read that, it's another blue. May green, quinacridone gold, ivory black, and then you go white gold, yellow pearl, red pearl, magenta pearl, blue pearl, cyan bluish pearl, green pearl bluish, ochre pearl and black pearl. So I know some of the colours have doubled up, but I wanted to get all of the pearls. I'm going to put the pearls in this palette and the colours in this one if I can, and the double ups will stay here as well. And the reason I'm doing that is I'm doing a lot of black at the moment on metallics and pearls on black. So I'm really excited about getting into that. Oops, sorry. These palettes are really nice. It's the first time I've got Schminke paints, and I'm really, the weight is wonderful. I know a lot of people say they're heavy, but I mean, I like a good, having the weight to me is quality, and I'd rather know that I'm carrying something, I've got something in my bag, than think that I've lost something. Now, coming back to this one here, this is some printed swatch sheets that I asked that I got, and I'm just trying to work out the best way to open it is here. No. There we go. Finally got it. Oops, sorry. Just hope I didn't bump you. Well, that's nice. Okay. So what have I got here? The Daniel Smith swatch sheet. It's a colour swatch sheet. It's got colours on both sides. Oh, what's that? And all the accessories and things that you can get as well, and all their products. The Schminke and it's got all the pigment information and all the information about it as well, which I absolutely love. I really want to get some of the Schminke dual coloured oh my god, my brain, granulating colours. I'm so sorry. And I got the Holbein colour swatch sheet as well. I have previously purchased the Holbein pastel colour set, and so that wasn't from Jackson's, that was from a local store when I was on holidays on the Gold Coast. Okay, so what I'm going to do is work out how I'm going to set up the palettes, and I'll do a swatching session as well. Okay, that's after I've worked everything out and where they're going to go. Okay, thank you very much. And don't forget, subscribe and like if you like what you see. Thank you very much. Have a great day. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Bye.